enjoying is coming to an end. Heavy rain is forecast for later on this afternoon.
Oh my, Pilchard. Bad weather's on the way.
To the left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and stretch. 2, 3, 4, and spin, and 2, 3. Well, I'm wide awake and ready to go. Hey, Scoop, what are we doing today?
I'm not sure, Muck, but Bob will be out in a minute to tell us.
Oh, I hope he's got some lifting for me to do.
Yeah, I want some fun.
Morning, team.
Morning, Bob.
Morning. How's it going? What are we doing today, Bob?
Well, I need you and Lofty to help me repair Farmer Pickle's old barn. Hello, Bob the Builder. Huh? Oh, yes. Don't worry. I'll send Muck over to help you get the harvest in.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, my. I didn't think the barn would be this bad.
Can we finish it by tonight, Bob?
We've got to, Scoop.
Hello, Farmer Pickles. I've come to help with the harvest.
Oh, good. Now we'll get the harvest done in half the time.
Oh, boy. There. That should do it. Oh, no!
What is it, Bob?
This old beam's rotten all the way through.
Oh, boy, that's not good. Is it?
No, Lofty. We'll have to replace it.
What, now?
We've got to, Scoop. If Farmer Pickles puts any hay bales up there, then the floor will collapse under the weight of them.
Oh, my. That's bad, isn't it?
Yes, Lofty. Come on, then. Let's get started.
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can. Well, I think so.
Now for some fun.
What? I'm sure I put 2 bales here. Huh? There's something funny going on here. Spot, I might have guessed.
I thought I'd help with the harvest, Farmer Pickles.
Oh, thanks a bunch. But maybe you can do something really useful, like help me load the hay bales instead of unloading them.
Oh, I just remembered. I saw a lot of birds in the lettuce fields. I'd better get back to work right away. Get back to my real job. Scaring birds like this. Oh, get off there, bird!
So that's how you scare off the birds.
No, Spud's on the job.
Okay, Lofty. Can you get a hook in it?
Yeah, I think so. Got it, Bob.
Well done, Lofty. Take it away. Now, can you hold it, Scoop?
Yes. Just tell Lofty to get a move on with that new beam. Hello. We did it, Farmer Pickles. We got the harvest in.
Yeah.
Good job, you two. But are we going to make it back to the barn before the storm breaks?
bit, Lofty. A bit more to me. Got it. Oh, okay, Scoop. You can let go now.
Whew.
This new beam's as solid as a rock. Ooh, my goodness. 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants, 4 elephants, 5 elephants, 6 elephants, 7 elephants, 8 elephants. Whoa!
Why are you counting elephants, Bob?
No, I'm counting how many seconds there are between the lightning flashing and the thunder rolling. It takes 1 second to say elephant. There were 8 seconds, which means the storm's only 8 miles away.
Oh, I understand.
Well, the barn's ready, but where is Farmer Pickles and the harvest?
Probably stuck behind the elephants.
No, Scoop. Faster! Faster! Whoa. 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants, 4 elephants. Whoa!
Wow, the elephants are getting closer.
We did it! We did it! We did it!
Well done, Muck. Now we really need to get the hay in the barn.
Can we load it?
Yes, we can!
Yeah, I think so.
This is the last one, Bob.
That's it, Farmer Pickles.
Now that's what I call a fine harvest.
That's what I call a fine barn.
I can hear the elephants, Bob, but where are they?
I guess they're at home packing their trunks.
Really?
No, Scoop. Not really. I'll explain later. Come on, everyone. Let's go home. This is going to be a fantastic beach barbecue, Dizzy.
Oh, wow! I'm really excited!
I fixed enough food for an army.
I know. It looks delicious, too. I think we'll need some more wood for the fire, though. Can you get some, Lofty?
Yeah, I think so, Bob.
I saw some big pieces of driftwood just along the beach.
Oh, okay. I'll go and get some. No, you're too small. Oh, yes, you're just right. Oh dear. Excuse me, Mr. Crab. Bob needs that wood. You're sitting on Bob's wood, Mr. Crab. Oh, thank you, Mr. Crab. Oh dear. Are you following me, Mr. Crab? Whoa. Nice, Mr. Crab. I have to gather this wood for Bob. Whoa. Oh, I've done it. I've been a brave Lofty. Well, I think so.
Well done, Lofty. This is a great fire.
thanks to you.
Oh, thank you, Bob.
And you were very brave with Mr. Crab, too, Lofty.
Oh, do you think so, Wendy?
We all think so, don't we?
Yeah, brilliant!
Lofty the Brave.
Yeah, well, I think I was.
Lofty, you know you were.
Oh, I know I was.
Hi, Spud!
Oh, hello, Dizzy. Oh,
What's the matter, Spud? You don't look very well.
I'm not very well. It's all these apples I ate.
But I thought you loved apples.
I do. But that's the problem. Apples taste great. Oh, they're really yummy. I can eat them all day and fill my tummy. I can eat them up raw, shake them off a tree. 'Cause when they're rosy and ripe, they're ready for me. An apple a day is what they say. It's supposed to keep the doctor away. But eat too many and you're asking for trouble. You'll get tummy ache and bend over double. But best of all is warm apple pie that's served with ice cream. Smell it and sigh. I try to be good and really polite, but I gobble it all down after only one bite.
Apples are yummy! Juicy and funny. They fit nicely in Spud's tummy. They're so yummy. Spud loves them the best. But he eats them all at once and makes a terrible mess. You can stew them, bake them, munch them with the skins on.
Jelly them, sugar them, throw them on a pizza.
An apple a day
Is what they say. It's supposed to keep the doctor away. But eat too many and you're asking for trouble. You'll get tummy ache and bend over double.
Hey, Scoop!
Hey, here, catch.
Whoa, watch out. This is a builder's yard, not a tennis court.
Good morning, Bob.
Good morning.
Good morning, team.
Hi, Wendy.
Hi, Wendy!
You should see the new tennis court, Wendy. Muck and I dug out the base for it yesterday.
Then we filled it in with rubble. And I rolled it flat and smooth. Oh, yeah! And Bob says I'm going to make a special green mix today.
That's right, Dizzy. We're going to use a special mix to give the surface a nice spring,
Oh, why, Wendy?
so that the balls will bounce, Lofty.
Oh, I see.
Well, we better get our move on. Ready, Dizzy? Rolly?
Yeah! Yes! Let's rock and roll it!
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
Bye, Wendy.
Bye now.
Bye, Wendy!
Whoa. Hiya, Travis. What have you got there?
It's a net for the new tennis court. Farmer Pickles asked me to deliver it to Wendy.
Oh, nothing to eat, Travis? I'm starving.
No, Spud. Sorry.
Aw, I think I'll come with you. Maybe Wendy's got some yummy sandwiches. Woo-hoo.
Oh, it's so nice having a green mixture.
Yes, it's a nice change.
Oh, can we try different colors with every job, Wendy? I mean, we could have blue, purple, and yellow cement. Ooh, isn't it great?
That's a perfect job, Rolly.
Oh, yeah? Oh, thanks.
Now, while that's drying, we'll go back to the yard and pick up the wire fencing. And I'll need Scoop to help me put it up. Let's go!
Oh, I'm hungry. Where's Wendy?
Farmer Pickles said she'd be here.
Maybe she went back to the yard for some sandwiches.
Oh my, I hope she comes back soon. I promised Farmer Pickles I'd deliver the net, then go straight back home.
Hey! I know. I'll unload the net for Wendy. She'll be so happy. I'm sure she'll give me some sandwiches, maybe even a piece of cake.
Oh, but Spud, the net's very heavy.
No problem. Spud's on the job.
Spud? Oh, no.
Ugh. Oh, my. Oh, silly, silly, silly. It's still wet.
Oh, what are we gonna do, Spud? Wendy will be so upset. Everybody will be mad.
Don't worry, Travis. Spud's got an idea. We'll cover it up.
Oh, hi, Bob. Just came back to get the wire fencing.
Oh, that's quick work, Wendy.
I've got a good team, Bob.
Ha, the best.
There. No one'll notice.
Spud, it's, very lumpy.
We can smooth it. Rolly smooths wet cement when he rolls over it. Come on, Travis, move it. Come on, move it.
Oh, I don't know.
Move it, Travis. Move it before Wendy comes back.
Oh, okay. Here goes. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh,
Travis! Spud!
Oh, Wendy. Sorry, Wendy. We didn't know it was wet.
My beautiful, smooth tennis court!
I was just trying to make it smooth again, Wendy.
Oh, well. We'll just have to resurface the whole court. Hello, Bob? Yeah, it's me.
Oh, hi, Wendy. How's the tennis court coming?
Oh, fine, Bob. But I just need you to send Dizzy and Rolly back here.
Oh? Why?
I'll explain later.
Okay, Wendy. They're on their way.
Thanks, Bob. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, phew. Thanks, everyone. It's as good as new.
Yay! Can I help Wendy?
Yes, Spud. Don't touch anything.
Oh.
Wow, Wendy! Great job!
Thanks, Bob. I'll give you a hand with the scoreboard.
Okay, one tennis court ready for action. Do you want to play, Wendy?
Oh, yes, Bob. Oh, but we don't have any rackets.
But I think we have. Buck!
I've got the Wendy.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Hey!
my back.
Thanks, Bob.
Oh, thank you, Wendy. You're a great player. You beat me fair and square.
Oh, I think I've got tennis knee.
Oh, phew. I'm thirsty.
Well, I brought some lemonade, Wendy. And a cake for the winner.
Oh, good.
Did you say a cake for the winner? Anyone for tennis? Whoopee!
Phew, that's it. Oh, just need a little bit of mortar over here, please, Dizzy.
What's that stuff, Wendy?
Oh, that's putty, Muck. It's soft now, but soon it'll set hard and hold the glass in place.
That's really cool.
There! Great job! Thanks, team! You've all worked really hard.
Mr. Sabatini will be really pleased when he sees them.
Aha! And these are no ordinary doors. Watch this!
Wow.
They closed all on their own.
That's really kind of weird.
Ready, everyone?
Oh, look out, Bob!
The doors are closed.
Ta-da!
Cool. It's like magic. Wow. They open and shut and everything. Oh, Bob, can I have a turn?
Be my guest, Dizzy.
My turn.
No, Mark! You're too big! You look...
Fool them. Those doors thought I was going inside and I wasn't.
Oh, no. You had me worried there, Muck.
Oh, Muck, they're not mind-reading doors. There's a sensor up there. Look. And that senses when something's moving in front of it and opens the doors.
Cool. That's really clever.
Yes, but not as clever as you. You can do lots of different things.
And so can you, can't you?
Especially when you work as a team. The way we do. Of course, we're not all good at everything. No, we all do different things. But put us together.
And can we fix it?
Yes,
we can!
Yeah. Yes, we can.
Bye, everyone!
Bye-bye.